This is one hill that has been cut for to make real estate, and whole section has been with heavy machinery. It has been removed, some 50 feet of topsoil, and then it is all eroded everywhere, all the way till the road over there. So I wanted to check out interesting patch of ferns here. This is I would say it's a fully fucked up place with there's no topsoil at all, and there's hardly any, even after many years these nothing has managed to colonize this place. So it must be a very harsh environment. Then one or two of these acacias have come. They are able to colonize. And then this particular fern had covered something like this earlier. I'm not sure if it's the same species or not, but if I find out the correct name, I'll anyway write it on the title of the video. So this one I found, it's one of the excellent fern that is able to serve as a pioneer species. Now this one is almost a vertical cutting. If you look up, it's completely vertically cleared, and then in such a situation, to stop the erosion and to allow the regeneration of the topsoil and all to happen, and then slowly eventually the some kind of recovery can happen and more species can appear. So these pioneer species, they pave the way for they stop, first of all they stop the degradation of the that erosion what is happening, and then they stabilize the top layer and start creating and the debris starts forming, and then slowly life can come back. And these ferns also look very beautiful also. Appearance and the color combination and everything is beautiful. Then let's have a look at how it spreads on this kind of poor surface. Now main colony has started there in that that kind of a angled, that corner. From there it's spreading sideways, and then little babies have appeared here. These might have come from the spores, I think. Mothers over there, and then the borders you can see these, the new ones. And then once it settles a little bit, it sends out these sideways roots. Like that, it sends out to, on the vertical wall itself, it sends out. And then those roots, they manage to cling somewhere. They put out those shoots, they can put out roots there. And then the new ones will, from there it emerges. So it spreads sideways very nicely, lateral spreading. And then it has the ability to grip on to this harshest of situations. And then as it moves sideways, it creates its own topsoil. It creates a substrate underneath. And then in that substrate, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸಾಯಿಸಬೇಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು, ಒಂದು ಹೇಳುದಲ್ವ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ. ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನನಗೆ, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ? ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಸಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾನೆ. So it's creating a topsoil and holding on, and then from there on the natural recovery of the place will happen. Environment and topsoil. Then along with this, I found another species of fern that also seems to come in this kind of place. That is that one of the climbing fern. This one. This is rather rare only. In this area I didn't find in many places. But they are there here and there. So this is a particularly beautiful one, and it's worth trying to cultivate. Here it is rooting and spreading sideways. There's one node, and then from there it is spreading. So this also has a spreading quality. It's probably one of the spinier species only. The second one. So that is the video for today. Two interesting, very beautiful and interesting ferns.